The story of Nike's partnership with Michael Jordan and the creation of the Air Jordan brand is not just a tale of successful sports marketing. It is a lesson in audacity, innovation, and strategic risk-taking, as well as the power of personal brands and the impact of influential individuals. In this video, we will unbox the top 5 lessons from the movie Air, which takes on a thrilling journey behind the scenes of one of the most defining moments in sports marketing, where the fading basketball division of Nike was revived through the signing of an NBA rookie named Michael Jordan. Lesson number 1. Recognize potential and take strategic risks. The first significant lesson from the movie is the importance of recognizing potential and taking strategic risks. At the time, Nike was known more for its running shoes and lacked the cool factor associated with basketball shoes. Yet, Sonny Vaccaro, a sports marketing executive at Nike, recognized the potential in Michael Jordan, then a soon-to-be NBA rookie ranked 3rd in the draft. He suggested Nike should put all their resources towards signing Jordan, banking on him becoming an NBA star. This was a strategic risk that paid off massively. Lesson number 2. The power of persistence. The movie also illustrates the power of persistence. Vaccaro spent more than 3 months working on to sign Jordan, who initially didn't want to go with Nike. Vaccaro's determination was crucial in ultimately securing the deal. This demonstrates the importance of persistence in business and that success often takes time and requires to overcome obstacles. Lesson number 3. The role of influential individuals. Another lesson in the role of influential individuals in making crucial decisions. In this case, Jordan's mother, Dolores, played an influential role in convincing Jordan to consider Nike's proposal, believing that because Nike wasn't as well known in the basketball space, Jordan could be a major star for them and leverage his talents for a better deal. Lesson number 4. The power of equity in endorsement deals. The unprecedented nature of Jordan's deal with Nike, which included a $2.5 million 5-year contract and a % royalty on all shoes sold with his likeness, changed how athletes approached endorsement deals. This demonstrates the power of equity in endorsement deals and its potential for significant long-term gain. Finally, lesson number 5. Leveraging personal brands. The story underlies the importance of leveraging personal brands. Nike's decision to build a shoe line around Jordan's personal brand was a game changer, resulting in the creation of the Air Jordan brand, which became a dominant force in the sports shoe industry. So to conclude, the movie Air showcases how strategic risk-taking, persistence, influential decision makers, equity in endorsement deals, and leveraging personal brands can lead to unprecedented success in business. These lessons can be applied in various fields and endeavors. Recognizing potential, being persistent in the face of challenges, seeking influence and counsel, understanding the value of equity, and leveraging personal brands can all lead to significant breakthroughs. Well, this brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned some valuable lessons from this video, and if you did, then please drop a like below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hitting the bell icon for more such videos on personal empowerment and financial education. We will see you in our next video.